Thinking about starting a house renovation, huh? You don't know where to start. Having a well-planned schedule is an extremely important step if you want your renovation to run on time and on budget. Hey, it's just like going into the supermarket to do some shopping. You don't just arrive at the store and start picking up things along the way, do you? No. You take the time to prepare a list at home before you go in, and shopping is done in less time, and you end up spending less money than you would have had without a list. Renovating a house is not any different, trust me. There are 4 key components to a schedule. There are a list of each task required, who's going to do each task, how long each task is going to take, and some flexibility to allow for changes. There are often 1 or 2 items that are critical elements to a renovation schedule. These elements need to be completed before other tasks can be scheduled and work completed. As an example, rough electrical work or plumbing work that is buried in a wall would be scheduled first before drywall repair or cabinets are installed. Let's take a look at a bathroom renovation. The critical elements could be that the plumbing needs to be completed first, since you're replacing the water valve in the bathtub area. Before any tile or paint goes into the renovation area, a plumber needs to get into that wall and do their thing. Once the plumbing is done, then you can start with the other tasks. Keep in mind though that there are still items that need to be sequenced after a plumber. In our bathroom renovation, would you let the trim carpenter in first, or the painter, or the tile installer? These are the sequencing of contractors that you need to keep in mind when scheduling a renovation. It's good to talk with your contractors and get their opinion on when they should go in and do their work. Just be careful in the advice that these contractors will give you, as there are times where a contractor wants to get their item get the item of work completed as quickly as possible so they can send you an invoice for a payment. Think about everything logically and put together your renovation schedule. Trust me, you'll be glad that you did. For more information on house renovations and real estate investing, visit www.vansturgeon.com to help you in your real estate investment journey.